I'm starting to understand how difficult it is to do these while you're driving and think and drive a car. It's a lot. All right, guys, my first year in real estate. What did it really look like? I ended up starting making calls. Part-time job, just calling leads, right? Cold calling people, trying to figure out if they need our services, if they don't. I came from the restaurant industry, and it was a very, very big transition for me, learning all of this stuff. This industry can be really overwhelming. So you got to go in with kind of an open mind and always know, like, you might start somewhere where you didn't want to start. I did a lot of calls, thousands and thousands of calls. Got way more comfortable being on the phone. Oh, we're going to the Highlands, bro. Fire.
Got fire.
Alrighty, guys, so we're here at the showing at 321 High Street, and we're about to get this going, and I'll catch you guys back in the car. So I thought coming right into this industry, it was going to be like booming. I was going to be selling tons and tons of houses. That's not the reality, right? Especially when you have to learn the industry, right? Because you want to sell a house to somebody when you know what you're doing. So they actually feel comfortable buying the house, building that relationship. The most difficult thing that at least I'm personally struggling with, that I know I'm sure a lot of other people in this field do, is with the follow-up. Right? So you'll hear when you're doing your training and everyone tells you follow-up is key, follow-up is essential. Initially when I heard that, I kind of was like, yeah, don't worry, that's super easy, right? You say I'm going to call someone at 12, you call them at 12. The reality is, though, once you start getting busy, you're always doing stuff. You see all these shows on HGTV, like Flip or Flop or all these other ones, and it always looks so glamorous on TV, but when you see it in real life, it's a whole different story. So, and here we go, coming to a very quick halt here. People don't know how to drive. Anyone's always interested in getting in real estate, you've thought about it, you don't really know, feel free to reach out, just give it a shot, right? However you can get yourself in the door, that's what you gotta do at the end of the day. And we're driving it forever.